I am Michele Tagnoli from Comecer, live from CPHI Milan, and today I introduce you one application of integrated solution here in Comecer with ATS Life Sciences Group. This is a filling line for cartridges, double stages cartridges, liquid and filling. Starting from, you can see here the layout of the line. It is a fully automatic line for cartridges and vials, basically. Inside isolators. We start with bulk, with the washer and thunder. Then we have a section for liquid filling. The liquid filling is a robotic system that can handle up to 4,000 vials or cartridges per hour in sterile fill inside the isolator. You see that. Then we have autoclaves in these sections, and then we have a section for the powder filling. Powder filling is done under isolator as well, sterile filling and containment. We use our system for filling, and in this case, the speed of this machine is 4,400 vials or cartridges per hour. Then we have the last section, that is the needle assembly, that is used for complete the packaging of the cartridges, or when in process vials, we use it for as a capping machine, as a cap. And in the last part of the line, we have a tray loader, provided also this one by ATS. It is a sortiment machine, part of the ATS life sciences. So basically, this is a fully custom solution, a complete integration with ATS Life Sciences that handle all the operations, Comecer that handle all the isolation technology, and then we have also other company, and we have also a full integration at SCADA level for all the electronic records, recipes, management, and all these electronic parts. And thank you very much.